Jungle Jolt, Off-road Moto Adventure, setting. You're a daring moto rider in the Jungle Jolt a pulse-bounding race through the heart of a dense, untamed rainforest. The trail is a treacherous ribbon of mud, roots, and overgrowth, winding through towering trees and misty ravines. Your goal: blaze through the jungle, dodging obstacles and leaping hazards, all while outrunning a relentless flash flood triggered by a sudden monsoon. The finish line, a rickety rope bridge over a raging river, lies 5 miles ahead, and survival is not guaranteed. Course scenario: trail conditions, The path is a slick mix of churned mud, tangled vines, and uneven terrain. Exposed roots and fallen logs create natural ramps and barriers. Narrow sections force you through tight gaps between trees, while open clearings tempt you to gun it at the risk of hidden sinkholes. Flash flood threat A wall of muddy water roars behind you, gaining ground with every second. The flood uproots trees, shifts the terrain, and turns stable ground into a quagmire. You hear its rumble, feel the ground tremble, and catch glimpses of debris in your rearview. Environmental hazards Low-hanging vines snatch at your helmet, requiring quick ducks or swerves. Fallen logs block the path, demanding perfectly timed jumps. Sudden drops into ravines test your nerve, and swarms of insects obscure your vision at critical moments. Wildlife encounters Monkeys hurl fruit from the canopy, distracting you or slicking the trail. A jaguar might dart across your path, forcing a split-second dodge. Crocodiles lurk in shallow streams you must ford, ready to snap if you stall. Key moments: 1. Monsoon kickoff The race begins as thunder cracks and rain hammers down, turning the trail into a muddy slide. You gun your engine, weaving through a pack of rival riders as the first signs of flooding appear: rising streams and collapsing banks. 2. Vine maze You hit a dense thicket where vines hang like a curtain. You must slalom through without getting tangled, while the flood's roar grows louder. A misstep could wrap your bike in vines, costing precious seconds. 3. Log Leap Gauntlet A series of fallen logs blocks the trail, each one a ramp to clear. Mistime a jump, and you crash into the next log. Nail the sequence, and you gain a lead, with the flood is now close enough to splash your tires. 4. Ravine plunge The trail drops into a steep ravine with a shallow stream at the bottom. You must lean into the descent, ford the crocodile-infested water, and climb the muddy opposite bank before the flood fills the ravine like a bathtub. 5. Final bridge sprint The finish line is inside a swaying rope bridge over a now turbulent river. The flood is seconds behind, tearing at the bridge's anchors. You must hit top speed, dodge debris washing downstream, and cross before the bridge collapses. Objectives: primary goal reach the rope bridge and cross it before the flash flood overtakes you. The first rider across claims victory. Secondary goals collect scattered supply caches, fuel, repair kits hidden off the main trail to maintain your bike. Optionally, knock out rival riders by luring them into hazards, but beware, they're just as ruthless. Atmosphere: the rainforest is alive with sound. The roar of your engine, the crash of falling trees, the shriek of wildlife, and the relentless thunder of the approaching flood. Humidity fogs your visor, rain stings your face, and the scent of wet earth and decay fills the air. Every turn feels like a gamble, every jump a leap into the unknown. Game story elements: bike customization equip your bike with mud tires for better traction, a reinforced frame for log impacts, or a lightweight chassis for faster jumps. Balance speed against durability to survive the jungle's punishment. Skills Master power slides to navigate muddy corners, bunny hops to clear small obstacles, and lean techniques to dodge vines or balance on narrow logs. Asterisk asterisk choices asterisk asterisk. Take a shortcut through a swampy detour with fewer obstacles but deeper mud, or stick to the main trail with more jumps but firmer ground. Decide whether to help a stranded rival gaining an ally or leave them to the flood. Survival mechanics asterisk asterisk. Monitor fuel and bike damage. Skid too much, and you burn fuel faster. Crash into a tree, and your suspension takes a hit. Pause at supply caches to refuel or repair, but risk the flood catching up. Victory conditions: cross the rope bridge before the flood destroys it. Outpace or outlast rival riders either by raw speed or cunning traps. Survive with your bike intact to ride another day.